Hi guys, so for today's video we'll be making some moon rocks and then we're gonna see the reaction to when we add vinegar. So keep on watching and let's go get started.
The materials we will need are baking soda, plastic wrap, some water, white vinegar, we will need glitter, and lastly we will need food coloring. The first step will be to put some baking soda into a bowl. Then we will grab our cup of water and add a few drops of food coloring. Since I want my moon rocks to be blue, I will add blue, but you can go ahead and try a different color if you like. So after we make our colored water, we will add a few tablespoons into the baking soda and mix. And since I wanted a darker blue, I just went ahead and added a few drops of the food coloring into the baking soda. That way it can get a brighter color. After that, we will add some glitter. You can add different colors or just one color. I decided to add some white, silver, and blue. Once we are done adding all of our glitter, then we will mix it one more time. And now we begin the fun part, making our moon rocks. So I will just grab some of the mixture and start trying to shape it into a ball. It doesn't have to be perfect because rocks come in different shapes and sizes. So just try your best. And while I was doing this, I noticed that it can get very messy. So I would recommend using some gloves because your hands can get stained. Like my hands, they turned blue and it was really hard to take it off. So it will be better if you wear gloves, at least for this step. The next step will be to wrap our moon rocks in plastic wrap, and then we will put them in the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, we will unwrap it and place it in a plate because the next step is also a little messy. So now we will get our vinegar and start pouring some on our moon rock. And as you can see, there is a chemical reaction going on because when an acid and a base mix, they form a gas called carbon dioxide. And in this experiment, the vinegar is the acid and the baking soda is the base. And if you take a closer look, you can see how the moon rock is slowly starting to dissolve and how bubbles come out every time you add some vinegar. And now we will do it on the rest of the moon rocks. So this chemical reaction is slow because we put the moon rocks in the freezer, but if you were to try it without freezing them, my guess would be that they would dissolve way faster. But this way you can really see and observe the chemical reaction. So now you've made some fizzy moon rocks. I hope you guys like this activity and will try it at home. Thanks for watching and see you next time.